Imagine you've just come up with a groundbreaking idea for a product. You're excited, but there's a question looming over you. Can you sell this product with just a provisional patent? The answer is yes, and it's a game changer for innovators like you. A provisional patent gives you a unique advantage. It allows you to secure your invention while you prepare for the next steps. You can confidently market your product under patent pending status, which not only protects your idea, but also signals to potential customers and investors that you're serious about your innovation. This is where PatentPC comes into play. PatentPC empowers inventors to navigate the complexities of the patent process. With their expertise, you can transform your provisional patent into a powerful asset. They guide you through the entire journey, from filing your provisional application to seamlessly converting it into a utility patent. This means you can focus on what you do best, bringing your product to market. But it doesn't stop there. PatentPC helps you craft a market-driven intellectual property roadmap. This roadmap is crucial because it maximizes the strategic value of your provisional patent. You'll learn how to leverage your patent to attract investors, secure partnerships, and ultimately drive sales. The right strategy can turn your provisional patent into a competitive edge in the marketplace. Think about it. With a provisional patent, you're not just protecting your idea, you're also creating opportunities. You can start selling your product, gathering feedback, and refining your offering, all while your patent is pending. This proactive approach allows you to establish your brand and build a customer base before your utility patent is even granted. Now, let's talk about the importance of confidence in your sales strategy. When you know your invention is protected, you can approach potential customers and investors with assurance. You're not just selling a product, you're sharing a vision backed by legal protection. This confidence can be the difference between a successful launch and a missed opportunity. Don't let uncertainty stall your sales. Reach out to PatentPC now to transform your provisional patent into unstoppable market power. Secure your patent pending edge and start selling with confidence today. Remember, every great product starts with a bold idea, and with the right support, that idea can become a reality. Visit patentpc.com and take the first step towards turning your innovation into a market success.